Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Before we start guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified for my next video. In my next video, I'm going to tell you about basic Konkani words and sentences. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some basic conversational questions and their reply in Konkani. So let's begin. The first question. What are you doing? In Konkani we ask is तू कितें करता? तू कितें करता? तू कितें करता? तू means you, कितें means what, करता means doing. If anyone asks you, तू कितें करता? Then you can reply as हांव बसलां. I am sitting. हांव शिकता. I am studying. हांव TV पळयता. I am watching TV. Next question. What is the time? In Konkani we ask is वेळ कितलो जाला? वा टाइम कितलो जाला? Time means वेळ. वेळ कितलो जाला? If anyone asks you what is the time or where kitlo zala and you want to reply, for example, it is 4 o'clock. Then in Konkani you have to say चार जाल्यांत. चार जाल्यांत. The next question. Why are you happy? In Konkani we ask as तू खोशी कित्याक आसा? तू means you, खोशी means happy, कित्याक means why. तू खोशी कित्याक आसा? Suppose you bought a new phone. Then how you are going to reply? In Konkani we reply as हांवें नवो फोन घेतला. हांवें means I, नवो means new, घेतला means bought. The next question. Who are you? In Konkani we ask as कोण तूं? कोण means who. तू means you. If you want to tell your name, then you have to say, for example, your name is Seema. Then in Konkani you have to reply as हांव Seema. हांव Seema. The next question. Who is your favorite actor? In Konkani we ask as तुझ्या आवडीचो अभिनेतो कोण? तुझ्या आवडीचो अभिनेतो कोण? तुझ्या means your, आवडीचो means favorite, अभिनेतो means actor, कोण means who. Suppose my favorite actor is Sonu Sood. Then in Konkani we say as म्हज्या आवडीचो अभिनेतो सोनू सूद. म्हज्या आवडीचो अभिनेतो सोनू सूद. म्हज्या means my, आवडीचो means favorite, अभिनेतो means actor. So the next one, how old are you? In Konkani we ask as तुका वर्सां कितली? तुका वर्सां कितली? तुका means you, वर्सां means years, kitli means how many. For example, you are 20 years old. Then you have to reply as Maka 20 वर्सां. I am 20 years old. Maka 5 वर्सां. I am 5 years old. Maka 15 वर्सां. I am 15 years old. Now let's see the next question. How do you go to market? In Konkani we ask as तू बाजारान कसो वयता? तू बाजारान कसो वयता? तू means you, बाजारांत means market, कसो means how, वयता means going. For example, you go by bus. Then in Konkani you have to reply as हांव बसीन वयता. हांव बसीन वयता. I go by bus. Now next question. Where are you going? In Konkani we ask as तू खंय वयता? तूं खंय वयता? तू means you, खंय means where, वयता means going. For example, you are going to school. And in Konkani you have to reply as हांव शाळेक वयता. I am going to school. हांव बाजारांत वयता. I am going to market. हांव इश्टाच्या घराक वयता. I am going to my friend's house. The next question. Where is my book? In Konkani we ask as म्हजें पुस्तक खंय आसा? म्हजें पुस्तक खंय आसा? म्हजें means my, पुस्तक means book, खंय means where. If someone asks you, where is my book? For example, the book is on the table. Then you are going to reply as तुझें पुस्तक मेजार आसा. तुझें पुस्तक मेजार आसा. Your book is on the table. तुझें means your, पुस्तक means book, मेजार means on the table. मेज means table. The next question. When is your birthday? In Konkani we ask as तुझो जल्मदीस केन्ना? तुझो जल्मदीस केन्ना? तुझो means your, जल्मदीस means birthday, केन्ना means when. If someone asks you तुझो जल्मदीस केन्ना, and if your birthday is in June, in the month of June, then you have to reply as म्हजो जल्मदीस जुनान आसा. म्हजो जल्मदीस जुनान आसा. My birthday is in June. Mazo means my. Jalmadis means birthday. Now the next question. When do you go for work? In Konkani we ask as Tu kamak kenna hoita? Tu kama kenna hoita? Tu means you. Kamak means for work. Kenna means when. Voita means going. If someone asks you when you're going for work, suppose you go to work in the morning, then in Konkani you have to reply as How kamak sakali voita? How kamak sakali voita? How means I, kamak means to work, sakali means morning, voita means going. So this is all for today. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.